You know, guys, you literally dish her food, right? And she'll go to the pot and go add while she's keeping the food for the next day. Guys, no. I love how you were so owning it. Guys, I eat and there's nothing you can do about it.
Chobi, hey, like, anything is changing, guys. I eat, like, ito yam leyo, nyatla.
Yo,
guys.
Guys, I'll never forget that house. I'm not gonna lie.
Pibrana mela post but samatari session okho ilamno be wamnandi mela wa post ku Facebook
I ku YouTube John.
Yeah.
I ku YouTube and guys, hey. Bengifuna ukuthini na before ngihamba?
Nini uhamba?
Bengifuna ukuthini guys hle ngikhumbuzeni.
Hayibo.
Akazi kwalo yaziyo ke.
Bengifuna ukuthini na? Oh, bengifuna ukuthi congratulations guys Bathong. Hle. Ni ready?
Uzopromote 0%.
Ready my love.
Ngizopromote 0% cha ngithatha njengesihlephu ngoba mina ngi 0%. Mawubona mina ubona 0%. Wena ubona ijumble sale. That's guys, mawubona mina ubona ijumble sale. Cha udon guys mayibona mina ubona ijumble sale. Guys, no. Angizwani nabantu abakhohlakele.
Chobi, sorry.
Ngiyaxolisa sisophephule ngiyaxolisa.
No, mara guys, we need a diary room. Bengasitshela ukuthi ku live. I mean, I thought it was a space of because of who empty. You know, guys, I'm being honest. Bengitshela ukuthi it's just you stepping away from cameras.
Mara kune camera lapha.
Yo, Don, usathi kune camera. Bengazitshela ukuthi ikhona camera. Kanti wayungezwa. Hey guys, please, ngicela and then bengiba yimi. Mara ngibona kuno Ramon. Yazi Ramon wathini? Wathi I have something Buhlepi should be disqualified. So enozosala no Tumi. Ramona guys starts the game. And then she felt embarrassed after when she stepped outside because guys Ramon she's standing on her way with the pub. Guys, no, guys, I'm not going to lie. Now I thought the same thing. I thought about that room. That room, I thought it's a room where you are just saying it as it is. Yo.
We knew a camera is right in front of you. Yeah.
No, I thought it was the mic. I'm telling you, they need the mic.
Yeah.
No, and the funny guys, I was so confused for some time. Guys, please, ingahleki bandla.
Okay, so I'm sorry.
The purple lady.
Sorry.
I'm already like representing a ghost lady from the Chillers show. So, yabon.
Oh.
How about ghost? I look like a ghost lady. But guys, please. Did chom udlile? But lapho kwakha usareyisa ngithi chom, everything is all yours. Wena Don, ngizohamba uyokwenza leya fish ebiltong uzongiphakela.
Fish ebiltong.